Hi friends, I'm Ron Brown. Welcome to my shop. I'm very excited today to bring to you a brand new product, Ron Brown's Best Longworth Chuck. Wait, that isn't new. Type 2. The Type 2 is a variation on the same Longworth chuck that I've had out on the market for the last 10 years or so. And here it is. This Longworth chuck has three major differences between Type 1. First, it's made out of half-inch high-density polyethylene, HDPE. So it's got two of those. If you're not familiar with the Longworth, the way the Longworth works is that it's self-centering, just kind of like the iris on a camera. As you move the discs, it opens and closes. It's very self-centering. Type 1, it had a disc on the back and you'd mount it right into your four-jaw chuck. The second major difference is that the Type 2 comes with a faceplate that threads right onto your lathe. This happens to be a 12-inch chuck on a 16-inch lathe, but I wanted to show you the difference, that it just threads on, and as you can see, everything scrolls back and forth as we do that. So the first difference is these are half-inch HDPE. Type 1 is made out of phenolic. The buttons are exactly the same. The bolts are a little bit longer because we've got thicker material. And the major difference here is that it threads right onto the spindle. I also make a different kind of chuck called a donut chuck. And the donut chuck works similarly, but it has a back plate and the holding device is a ring with a hole in it. That's why it's called a donut chuck. So the donut chuck excels if you have a taller vessel, if it's taller than it is wide, because the Longworth holds it on one end and a donut chuck holds it on both ends. Some folks love this, some folks love the Longworth. The Longworth is a little faster and it's very, very self-centering. So since I make both of these, I got to thinking the other day, what if I could make one chuck that had two modes, a Longworth mode and a donut mode? Wouldn't that be cool? So this is the 16-inch version. It's the one that I designed for this lathe. And this has a Longworth mode and a donut mode. What I did was drill some holes in it that when they line up, you can actually put the bolts right through here. Now you can't use the Longworth function, the scrolling function, when you're using the donut, but you can use it as a Longworth chuck or you can use it as a donut chuck. Either one, it's up to you. So now we can work on the bottom of our bowl. It's absolutely trapped. If we had a vase or something that was very tall, the Longworth wouldn't hold it nearly as securely as the donut does. So you have the best of both worlds. I'm still working on it, the exact configurations of how we're going to make this available, but I'm thinking this is going to be an optional accessory for the traditional Longworth Type 2 that mounts directly to your spindle. Check the website at RonBrown'sBest.com for updates and information. It should be available in the next week or 10 days, so keep an eye on it, and I'm sure we'll answer all of your questions. If you have other questions, just simply give me a call at the office. I'm Ron Brown. Remember that wherever you go, there you are. Thanks for watching.